Okay, so here's a real quick video on how to download transparent background images like PNG and GIF, and I can't remember any other ones. But anyway, a quick way to do it is, well, search for what you're looking for and then go to Tools, and then go to Color, and then go to Transparent Background. Now, all these are going to be transparent because some get through, but I would say about 90% are. I did do this tutorial about a second ago, and I think one of these somewhere weren't, but like I said, most of them are. If you've got a checkers, then it is. That's always a quick way of knowing. Like that one is all good. The other one was not showing up. I think it lagged a bit last time. So like there, that one's not. So if you don't see a checkered background, then that's definitely not it. But like I said, 90% of the time, oh, there we go, there's another one. 90% of the time, it will be transparent background. So I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and see you again in the future. Bye.